Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn addition. So let's learn addition by counting the number of balloons here. So we have 2 plus 1. We have 2 balloons plus 1 balloon, which is equals to 3. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Let's see one more. Again we have 2 plus we have to add 2 in it. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Yes, exactly. We have 4 balloons here. Let's check the next one. So we have 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So we can see 4 balloons here. Next we have 5 plus 2. So count the number of balloons. 5 plus 2, which gives you 7. Very good. Now next. Here we have 7 plus 2. 7 and add 2 to it. It will give you 9. We have 9 balloons over here. Let's see the next one. Now here we have 9 plus 1, which equals to 10. Yes, we have 10 balloons here. Next. 5 plus 5 gives you 10. Very good. Very good, viewers. We have 10 balloons here. You're absolutely right. I hope you're enjoying learning the addition. Let's see one more. We have 3 plus 3. So which will be equal to 6. Yes, we have 6 balloons over here. Next we have 4